say good morning.
Hi, are you a salesman?
Good morning. My name is insert name. Oh, no. I mean, my name is Griff. Pause and greet customer, use body language. How can I help you?
I'm actually interested in one of your guys' Buick Envisions.
Icebreaker laugh. Oh, sorry, wrong line. That's great. Say with enthusiasm. I'd love to assist you in purchasing this insert vehicle name. Buick Envision.
Sir, do you know what you're doing?
Ma'am, we understand your frustration. And actually, yes, I do know what I'm doing. My name is Griffin. I am one of the newest sales consultants over here at Lambert Buick GMC, but I have been selling cars for a few years now. I just kind of like to make it quick and easy. Car buying should be that way. So come on and see me. Ask for Griffin when you stop in.